In today's video, I am going to teach you how to download Notion app on laptop. We'll walk through the quickest way to get the Notion desktop app on a Windows laptop, and I'll also show you a simple alternative if you prefer using the Microsoft Store. Keep your internet connection steady and let's get started. First, head to the official Notion website in your browser. On the Downloads page, you'll see an option that says Download for Windows. Click that button. Your browser will begin downloading the installer file. If you are asked where to save it, the default downloads folder is perfectly fine. If your browser shows the file at the bottom or top of the window, you can keep an eye on the progress there. Once the download finishes, open the .exe file. If you don't see it right away, open your Downloads folder and look for the Notion installer with a .exe extension. When you run it, Windows may display a security prompt asking if you want to allow this app to make changes to your device. This is normal for trusted installers, so choose Yes to continue. Now, follow the on-screen prompts to complete the installation. The setup may ask you to confirm the install location or simply proceed automatically. If you see options, the default choices usually work best for most users. The installer will copy the necessary files, and you'll see a progress bar while it works. This can take a moment, don't close the window until it's done. When the installation completes, Notion may launch automatically. If it doesn't, you can open it from your Start menu or by using the desktop shortcut that's created during installation. From there, you'll be ready to start using the app on your laptop. If you prefer, you can alternatively find Notion in the Microsoft Store. Open the Microsoft Store app on your Windows laptop, search for Notion and select the Notion app from the results. Click Get or Install, and Windows will handle the rest. This method is convenient because updates are managed through the store, keeping the app current without extra steps. That's it! You've either downloaded Notion directly from the website or installed it through the Microsoft Store. If you ran into any prompts along the way, choosing the default recommended options is usually the quickest path. Enjoy your new setup, and you are ready to be more organized with Notion on your laptop. Thanks for watching.